Here are 3 news items from the world of the crypto industry. Will investors be able to bring NOT out of consolidation? Arbitrum grows amid expectations of the launch of an Ethereum ETF. A crypto trader lost $8 million due to Joe Biden. First news. Will investors be able to bring NOT out of consolidation? The price of NOT coin follows general market trends, which in recent days have indicated consolidation. NOT coin, a popular token in the Telegram ecosystem, is consolidating. However, it is receiving significant support from investors, as evidenced by the steady inflow of funds into the asset. NOT coin investors are optimistic. NOT coin is a Web3 gaming project based on the Ton network, which appeared in January of this year as a mini application in Telegram. In May, NOT became available on many major exchanges. The price of NOT coin has been unable to break out for several trading sessions, but this does not worry NOT holders. This is indicated by the Chaikin indicator. This on-chain metric measures the flow of money into and out of the asset. Positive values indicate that buyers are investing capital to support price growth, while negative values indicate that sellers have the initiative and liquidity is leaving the asset. In the case of NOT, the CMF stabilizes above the neutral line, indicating a steady inflow of funds and balanced buying and selling pressure. Open interest in NOT coin remains at $171 million and shows no signs of declining. Its stability indicates that investors are holding their positions and are confident in the asset's potential. Stable CMF and open interest indicators confirm the positive outlook for the coin. Investor confidence and sustained interest in the asset are encouraging signs for NOT bulls. NOT coin's price is currently consolidating between $0.017 and $0.015, and numerous attempts to break through resistance have been unsuccessful. The altcoin almost dropped below the support line of $0.015 but quickly recovered. The reason for this was the aforementioned support from investors. If it continues, it will help the altcoin break above the $0.017 resistance. On the other hand, if the breakout fails, it will invalidate the bullish scenario. However, positive signals should prevent a breakdown below the $0.015 support level. Second news. Arbitrum grows amid expectations of the launch of an Ethereum ETF. In the US, the launch of 5 spot ETFs on Ethereum was announced, scheduled for July 23. In anticipation of this event, ARB, the native token of the Arbitrum ecosystem, has grown by 5% over the past 7 days. During this period, the entire project network also showed growth. User activity in the Arbitrum network has increased. Arbitrum is considered one of the most popular L2 scaling solutions for Ethereum. Therefore, events in the Ethereum ecosystem can significantly influence the price dynamics of ARB. The growth of the Arbitrum network is evident from the increase in the total value of assets locked in the protocol. This is also indicated by the sharp rise in sales volume in the NFT segment over the past week. According to Defilama, Arbitrum showed the second highest growth after Solana among the 5 largest networks by TVL volume over the past week. Over the last 7 days, this indicator increased by 10% to $3.25 billion. Over the past month, Arbitrum's TVL has increased by 14%. It is now at its highest level since the protocol's launch in August 2021. Moreover, during the reporting week, there was an increase in the volume of NFT sales based on Arbitrum. The indicator amounted to $1.16 million, an increase of 66%. This surge is associated with the increased number of NFT traders in the network. According to CryptoSlam, the total number of completed NFT sales transactions increased by 49%. The growth in TVL and NFT sales volume indicates increased activity and user engagement. As demand for the network grows, so does the value of its native token. The sharp rise in user demand over the past week has led to a 5% increase in ARB's price over the past week. However, this may not be enough to sustain the price rally. This is warned by the Relative Strength Index. It is in a downtrend, and its current value is 51.54. At these levels, the asset is not considered overbought or oversold. The balance between buying and selling does not form clear price movement vectors. In the near future, ARB may trade sideways. If buying interest increases, the token could rise to 99 cents. If increases, the token may fall to 55 cents if selling pressure increases. Third news. A crypto trader lost $8 million due to Joe Biden. A trader who invested $8 million in the meme coin Joe Biden, associated with U.S. President Joe Biden, lost almost all his funds. A user on X drew attention to the unsuccessful deal of a crypto trader who lost $7.9 million in minutes. An anonymous trader invested $8 million in Biden at the peak of the coin's market capitalization of $600 million. The meme coin reached this mark in mid-April this year. However, hopes for a bright future for the political token were not justified amid recent news. Its value sharply decreased. As a result, the user lost $7.9 million from his investment. At the moment, his former $8 million is worth $98.5 thousand. According to CoinGecko, Biden is currently trading at $0.009384, having dropped nearly 60% in the past day and over 90% in the past month. This case is not the only one. According to Polymarket, another trader under the nickname Anon Biden Bull lost $2 million on Biden's exit from the presidential race. The user bet on the politician's victory, but after his statement. On July 21, 2024, current U.S. President Joe Biden announced his withdrawal from the 2024 U.S. presidential election. Following this event, many tokens in the PolitiFi sector experienced significant fluctuations. The new candidate from the Democratic Party may be Vice President Kamala Harris. Her candidacy has already been supported by Biden, the Clintons, and the governor of California. Currently, Harris's chances in the presidential race are estimated at 83% on Polymarket. Meanwhile, only 29% of participants believe in her victory, while 64% believe in Trump's victory.